Yeah, you need such a cute little thing. Oh, you have such a nice little. It's from Simon. He wants to play Super Battle Challenge Mister Cards. So excited. Should I wear something? No, I think I'll just go as I am. Maybe something more like that.
Hi, Simon.
Hi, Norma. Are you ready to play Super Battle Challenge Monster Cards?
Yes, I am. The weather is so nice today, Simon. Don't you agree?
Yes, it is. It's very lovely.
You're going to die this time, Simon.
No, not this time.
Oh, yes, you are. I attack you with Rocktail Lava.
No!
Yes, instant death. Ha! I win this time, Simon.
Alright.
Yes, of course I always win. But you know, I know let you win every once in a while, Simon.
Sure would be nice.
Hey, let's go to the Chinese Taco Cafe.
Alright.
Let's go.